Okay, my heart is beating. No! 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 So you already read the title, and I feel like I'm gonna have a panic attack in a couple seconds from now. It's difficult to breathe, my heart is beating, and this is actually a couple first days of me without crying, and I think in a couple minutes that will change because it's so difficult to talk about it yet. Yesterday was a whole week after my baby Rocky passed away. I'm gonna be honest, this is the first time I picked up camera after 8 or 9 days from now on, because I just could not take my phone into my hands and go into the gallery and see all of the pictures and videos of me and Rocky. I think I owe everybody, you know, just to talk about it, because I know how much a lot of you loved Rocky. He was the main star of this channel, obviously. I'm sorry for the sounds you may hear. Baloo actually is playing right now with a plastic bottle. But anyway, so I know how much of you had feelings for Rocky, and you know, you loved him as a character from maybe some kind of TV show or something similar to that. And I don't know how to explain it, but all these days, all of those 8 days since Rocky passed away, I just had this image in my head, this like message in my head that I just need to share this and let you know that Rocky is no longer with us. He passed away. It was so... and I thought I'm ready to talk about it. Oh my gosh. So it happened really sudden. Nobody had any idea what he was going through, and I do not want to share too many details, but he died from pneumonia. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right in English, but he had a lot of liquids in his lungs, and that's why he passed away. We find out about it way too late. Only from 10 to 20% of his lungs were working when we find out that. When the vet tried to hear the heart, he couldn't hear the heart of Rocky, and that's why we decided to do an ultrasound, and that's when we saw that his lungs are filled with liquids, and they were twice bigger than they should have been, and that's why the doctor couldn't hear the heart, because the lungs were just, you know, blocking everything. And we immediately had a rush surgery, and I was all that time together with Rocky. I was there while he was receiving all of those painkillers, and while the vets were actually poking the lungs with the huge needle and trying to suck up all of that liquid. It was such a painful view to have, you know, in front of you with your baby, but I tried to stay strong, and I believe that, okay, we found out the problem, we will work on that and everything will be fine. But the vet just kept on saying that this is not looking good. And I don't remember, I mean, I remember last time crying so much was when my dad passed away, and it wasn't that long ago. After the surgery of the lungs, when the doctor tried to suck up all of the liquids, I think Rocky still was alive for about an hour or two. He was really fighting and trying to breathe. But so we lost our baby, and hands down I can tell this is the hardest year I had ever had in my whole life. And when you feel like finally you're getting back on your feet and just getting used to your new normal, something else hits you so hard, and it's just never-ending story, to be honest. We had Rocky for 4.5 years, and he was the best thing that ever happened to me. I'll remember him and cherish our adventures for the rest of my life. But I just felt like it was really appropriate to tell you, everybody, that what was going on, why I was gone for so long. I still am working on my YouTube problem because my channel is still suspended, so it's been really difficult lately, and I'm fighting every single day together with my fiance. He's broken as well, and you know, I feel like a huge part of my life is gone. And you know, we already have Baloo, and Baloo was supposed to be Rocky's youngest brother, but they have only 4 days together. And during those 4 days, they actually managed to become friends. It wasn't an easy ride. I actually have a whole video series pre-filmed while Rocky was still alive, and how they were getting together, and you know, how we became a family of 4 and all of that. I have this whole story prepared for you guys and pre-filmed. But I just felt like, you know, it's appropriate to come into my channel back after I think 3 weeks now. As I'm filming this, already 3 weeks passed since I uploaded my last video, so I'm not sure when I will upload this video, because I'm not sure how I will be able to edit it without crying again. But I just want to let you know I have a couple of videos that are pre-filmed when Rocky was still alive. I'm not sure if I will upload them after this video, because I'll be honest, I still could not go into my gallery and look into these videos knowing how everything will end up, you know. So I'll try my best. So I'm so sorry for the sounds. Baby Baloo is crazy, to be honest. Actually, I felt so guilty owning Baloo right now, as well as my fiance. We both, you know, feel like traitors. It feels so wrong to go into the walks and, you know, have all of those fruits that I and Rocky actually found and had, you know, you have been using for those years. Whenever I do something with Baloo, I feel so guilty inside, you know, feel like Rocky's watching at us and being jealous as he was when Baloo was here and Rocky was still alive. So at the same time, I know right now is my part to give the best life for Baloo, just like I try to do with Rocky. At the same time, I'm still fighting this, you know, fight inside, you know, just to try and enjoy everything that we're going through right now, even though it's so hard. We cremated him and have his ashes in my other room. Yesterday was the day that we received the ashes back. And we're trying to find a new normal right now. And it's not easy. It's really not. And thank you for your patience, for waiting for my videos. Thank you every single one for checking in on me on Facebook, Instagram, on email, and just, you know, writing me beautiful messages and letting me know that you missed me, that you missed Rocky, that you missed my videos. And I missed you too, guys. I'll be honest, I have this huge hole right now in me, not only for Rocky but also for YouTube, because I feel like this was a big part of my life. I loved to film everything that I was going through, all of the adventures and, you know, all of my experiences. And right now is the time when Baloo is, you know, the most quirky, dorky, and it's so much fun. It would be so much fun to film him, but it just don't feel right yet. So just want to jump in, let you know that I am fine. I mean, as fine as I can be. I'm trying to become a better mom for Baloo. This is the Baloo. Babe, he still have to bite everything that touches him, as you can tell. But yeah, soon, very soon, I think from this video, I will try to get back to my usual uploading schedule, and you will see some videos with Rocky still in it, and then we'll go further with all of the plant adventures, all of the puppy adventures. Thank you every single one of you for checking on me and, you know, leaving those beautiful comments. Even though I wasn't uploading, you know, you're leaving those comments on my older videos and all of that. I really appreciate every single one of you. I appreciate you caring for us and, you know, wanting to know how are we doing and how is everything going. So I am forever grateful. Thank you for following my journey with Rocky. I think this is the best gift for us right now, that I have all of those videos to look back and see how happy we were together. I still cannot watch them, but maybe one day I will be ready and I will go through those videos. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.